All right, let's just jump right in. We're going to break down 5 huge AI automation wins that you can put into place like this quarter. And look, we're not talking about some far-off sci-fi stuff here. This is all about practical, profitable solutions that gets you results fast. While everyone else is stuck doing things the old way, smart companies are automating and just scaling like crazy. We're going to show you exactly how.
So, first things first, you have to get your head around the scale of the problem. Your team is probably wasting somewhere between 15 and 20 hours per employee every single week on tasks that AI can now do in, like, seconds. Seriously, think about that for a second. That's almost half of a person's work week just gone. Poof, wasted on data entry, scheduling meetings, and running reports. So you gotta ask yourself, what could your team actually do with all that time back? What new ideas could they come up with? What big projects could they finally tackle? That's the real potential we're talking about unlocking here.
Okay, our first big win is all about intelligent documents. Look, if your team is still sitting there manually reading invoices or contracts or whatever, and then typing that info into another system, you gotta stop. I mean it. There is a much, much better way to do this.
Here's the real issue. Manual data entry isn't just slow, it is ridiculously expensive when you start adding up the payroll hours. And on top of all that, it is just a breeding ground for mistakes. Typos, missed information, putting things in twice. All these little errors that just create even more work to fix later on.
Now, check this out. This is where it gets crazy. This is a real logistics company. They went from spending 120 staff hours a month just processing freight bills all the way down to just 5 hours. And that's just for a human to review the exceptions. And look at that accuracy jump from 94% to basically perfect. That's a total game changer.
And here's what it all comes down to, the money. For that same company, automating their documents meant $69,000 in savings every single year. And you want to know the best part? They got all their money back on the investment in just 8 weeks. 8!
All right, let's keep the momentum going. Win number 2, automated support. This is all about making your customer service way faster, way smarter, and way more efficient, all without burning out your team. You know, pretty much every growing business deals with this. The support team is just drowning in tickets. Some are super urgent, some are just simple questions, and they all have to be sorted by hand. It creates these huge bottlenecks, which means slow replies and, you guessed it, unhappy customers. Just look at this before and after. It's night and day. This software company was just constantly hiring people to try and keep up with support tickets. After they brought in an AI system, their customer base tripled, and their team size didn't change at all. 40% of their tickets were just solved instantly with zero human help. And the financial impact here? It's huge. Because they were so efficient, they didn't have to hire 2 new support people. That's a direct savings of $160,000 in payroll every year. It's a perfect example of investing in smarter tools instead of just throwing more people at a problem. Okay, you ready? We're going to pick up the pace and do a rapid-fire round with 3 more wins you can get started on right away. These are all about automating those little background tasks that quietly eat up hundreds of hours of your year.
Okay, win number 3, automated reporting. If you are still pulling data from 10 different places into one giant spreadsheet, you need to hear this. AI can do that whole process for you. For one retail chain, it saved them 20 hours of manual work every week. But the real win? By catching pricing and inventory mistakes days faster than a person ever could, they saved an estimated $200,000 in losses.
Win number 4 is AI-driven scheduling. Come on, we've all been stuck in that email nightmare, right? Does Tuesday at 2 work? Nope. How about Wednesday at 10? Ugh, that's over. An AI assistant saved a consulting firm 500 hours a year. That's a nice 25 grand in saved time. But the real prize? Their time to respond to a client went from a full day down to 2 minutes. That's the kind of speed that wins you business. And our 5th and final win, this one is a monster. Predictive inventory. For this one, goods distributor guessing what customers would buy was a constant, expensive gamble. AI forecasting models completely changed their world. They cut the times they ran out of stock by 67%, which means way more happy customers, and they reduced their extra inventory by 40%. The result? A staggering $1.2 million in savings annually. That just shows you the incredible scale this stuff can work at. Okay, so you're seeing these wins, you're seeing these numbers, and you're probably thinking, this is great, but how do I actually do it? Well, it's not as scary as it sounds. There's a clear, straightforward plan to get you from here to actually seeing that return on your investment. Look, it's a proven 10-week process.
You start with 2 weeks of just figuring out your biggest pain point. Is it those 120 hours you're wasting on invoices or the flood of support tickets? Then you get your data ready. That can mean grabbing 6 months of those old freight bills or customer emails. After you build and test, you launch it. And this last step is so important. You keep an eye on the AI, you monitor it, and you keep making it better over time. It's not magic, it's a project, a totally doable project. And this right here is probably the single most important piece of advice I can give you. Don't try to boil the ocean. Seriously, the real key to success is to start small. Pick just one of these automations, the one that solves your biggest headache right now. Prove that it works, show the ROI, and then, once you've got that win under your belt, you can build momentum and expand from there. So, as we wrap this up, here's the final thought I want to leave you with. This isn't a question of if you should automate anymore. It's about when and where you're going to start. The thing is, your competitors, they're almost certainly already making these moves. So the only question left is, what's going to be your first move?